Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Have you looked at the market for single-family homes in our area lately? There's not enough of them to go around, and there's a lot of demand. And what that means is that if you have one and you're looking to sell it, you can probably get a lot of money. A lot of people know about that, but what you might not know is there's a similar situation with used cars. If you look at our used car lot right now, we don't have as many cars as we'd like to, but we still have a very constant and strong demand for them. So what that means is that we are really looking hard for trade-ins, for used cars. We will buy your car even if you don't want to trade it into us. And it's never been worth more money, and it won't be again. The market conditions are fantastic. If you're interested in a new car, we have fantastic deals and incentives on new ones, and you'll get a bunch of money for yours. So maybe if there's some negative equity that you were worried about or something like that, it's a great time to get out of that without having to wait a couple years. So if you're curious about this but don't know what your car is worth, click the link in the description and you can check out our trade-in valet. And what that'll allow you to do is enter in some information about your vehicle, and within about 10 minutes or so, get within a couple $1,000s what your car is going to be worth cash money. So click the link in the description, call or stop by today. Any questions, anything we can do to help, anything we can do to get your car right now, we're happy to do so.